Hey there, come watch me take this old can of corn that we had for dinner Monday night, and I'm going to turn it into an old-timey faux crock. You know, like the kind that Grandma used to get cheese in. We're going to use paper clay and Iron Orchid Design stamps. There's crockery stamps. We're going to roll out our paper clay with a sangria bottle. Yes, sangria. You don't need a rolling pin. And then we're going to stamp the clay, and we're going to cut the clay down to size. We're going to give this an old world look, so it's going to have cracks and crevices. We're now going to smear Gorilla Glue all over the back of it, and we're going to glue it to our can. You can use Titebond, whatever glue you like to use. This is going to adhere really good, but you're going to see me smash the edges down with my fingers. And you're also going to see me use a couple clay tools to cut it, to draw lines in it. I'm going to put cracks in it. I'm going to put holes in it with a screw, like a worm got into it, like it does to wood. And I'm just going to make it look old and handmade. When it all dries, I'm going to paint it. I'm going to use dark wax, and that dark wax is going to settle in all the little cracks and the holes that I have made. So it's going to look pretty darn good when I'm all done. And ta-da! Don't they look great? Thanks for watching.